Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about the best 8-figure alternatives for e-commerce funding. If you're running a growing e-commerce business, you know the constant challenge. You need capital to buy inventory and scale your ads, but traditional bank loans are slow, rigid, and often require personal guarantees. I've been there, and while platforms like 8Fig offer a great model, it's smart to know your other options. In my experience, the alternatives generally fall into two main camps: revenue-based financing, RBF, and platforms focused on supply chain financing. Option 1, revenue-based financing, RBF, companies. This model is all about flexibility and speed. RBF providers give you capital in exchange for a fixed percentage of your future daily or weekly sales. The payment amount fluctuates with your revenue. If sales are slow, you pay less. I've found this to be extremely helpful during seasonal dips. Two of the strongest players here are Wayflyer and Clearco. Wayflyer stands out not just for its funding, but for the actionable data insights it provides on your marketing performance. They're excellent if you're heavily reliant on paid advertising and want to scale that spend efficiently. Clearco operates on a similar basis, focusing on providing capital based on your proven advertising and sales performance. They're known for a quick application process, which is crucial when you need to jump on a sudden inventory opportunity. Option 2, continuous and inventory-focused funding. While 8Fig is a leader in this, some other companies offer similar continuous, flexible capital, often without taking a fixed percentage of daily sales like RBF. Sellers Fi and Payability are solid alternatives that provide various funding solutions specifically for e-commerce, including lump sum advances and working capital. They're particularly popular with Amazon and Shopify sellers and can offer continuous cash flow solutions that help bridge the gap between making a sale and getting paid. The key differentiator to look for here is how closely the funding is tied to your supply chain needs. Just like 8Fig, the best alternatives in this space disperse funds in tranches that align with your actual inventory purchasing and shipping schedule, rather than one big lump sum. This optimizes your cash flow. My takeaway: which to choose. I always recommend asking yourself two questions. Is my main need for capital to scale marketing and ads? If so, a strong RBF platform like Wayflyer or Clearco that offers performance insights might be your best fit. Is my main need for capital to finance inventory and supply chain? If your cash flow is primarily eaten up by long production times and freight costs, alternatives like Sellers Fi or those that offer continuous funding lines will provide the structured support you need to maintain healthy stock levels. Ultimately, all these platforms allow you to scale without giving up equity or dealing with the lengthy process and collateral requirements of a bank. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.